What's going on, y'all? JT with a quick unboxing and look at the Arrma Outcast 8S EXB. So, of course, this is the latest, greatest from Arrma. It is a 5th scale roller of the Arrma Outcast 8S version with a couple upgrades and stuff on it. So, I'm not even going to waste any time. I'm just going to go ahead and get this box popped open and let's see what we got up in here. And you guys know that no unboxing is complete. Oh, yeah. Unless you got that new RC car smell. So, a couple of things up in here. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks real good. They always look so much better in person. You guys know that. Man, that looks mean. So you guys give me just a minute. Oh, I had to smell that, smell them tires and everything. Give me just a minute. I'm going to get this out and we'll take a closer look. All right, y'all, getting this out and this bad boy looks good. Oh man, it looks real good. They look so much better in person. They really do. And you guys know how that is. I love the way they kind of just laid this out. It still has the Outcast look, but it's just got that mean look to it. So anyway, let's take a quick look at the goodies they give to us so that you guys know kind of what you get when you purchase one of these. It's going to be no different than the Creighton 8S EXB, but they do give you 2 different mounting modes for your servos, one for a 5th scale and one for a 6th scale as well. And then they also, of course, give you the tools and stuff and extra screws to mount that on. And then they also give you an instruction manual and you get stickers in here. You guys know I love stickers. I love stickers. I probably won't put any more stickers on here, and then they give you the instruction manual and you guys can briefly read through this just to learn a little bit more about the truck and stuff and how to install the electronics in it. And then they also give you the mounting pieces for the servo, to mount for the servo horn and stuff. And then they give you shock pistons and they also give you these motor plates too. Now this is to mount, of course, the different size and motors and stuff on there as well. One you got, excuse me, the 49 series. The other one you got the 56 series. So that's good. They give you all this on here. But back to the meat of this unboxing with this. So for electronics, I'm actually going to do something a little different with this truck. I did go ahead and get a Arrma ESC, and then also I'm going to use a Spectrum servo, and then I'm going to try something new. I got this Spectrum 1100 kV motor that I want to run in here. So I'll tell you guys about that once I get this all set up and stuff when we get this running. But I did want to try this motor out because I saw it out there. It's $149 for the motor, and I figured it'd be a good fit in here because for my Creighton 8S EXB, I do run an 800 kV, so I did want to try this 1100 kV, and I'm probably going to use a 29-2 pinion gear and probably the stock Spurger, which I believe is a 47 if I can recall. With that, you guys see kind of the gear ratio chart pop up there. I doubt I'll use, I may use the other Spurger, I'm not sure, but I do kind of want to get a long run time with this as well, and I do kind of want to see how it runs with this particular setup because I've never run an 1100 kV motor, especially in a big truck like this. So it's going to be interesting to get this out and get some running with this as well. So anyway, guys, back to this truck. This thing looks phenomenal, guys. It really does. And I'll get my, oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and pause this real quick. And I'm going to get my ready to run version out. We'll just do a quick side-by-side comparison. How about that? So give me just a second. I'm going to get these two out. All right, y'all, I got these bad boys outside. They were too big to try to have both of them inside to show you guys the side-by-side comparisons between the two. So, of course, the ready-to-run version is going to be on your left, and the new one's going to be on the right. Now, the one on the right is going to sit a little bit higher. It looks like it does. Then the ready to run version, of course, the ready to run version has been ran through and stuff. I don't have all the electronics in the ready to run version. I'm doing some cleaning and stuff on this one, but wanted to show this to you guys. So of course there are differences between the two. Of course, the EXB version, one of the major things I think that they added to this, which is good, other than some of the parts like the 775 aluminum chassis, is going to be, we got planes and stuff flying over top of us. The joy of unboxing outside is going to be sway bars. So they did add sway bars to the front and rear of this. So I'm very, very interested to see how much better this truck handles with those sway bars and stuff on it. And then the tires as well. The tires look to be a little bit taller than the ready to run version, and they are vented in the EXB version, so that's a good thing. I mean, that's nothing bad about that. So I'm curious and really want to get this one out and really get this running just to see the difference in performance between the two. Of course, it's going to be a little faster because of the way I'm probably going to possibly gear this truck here. But I did want to show this to you guys, a quick side-by-side comparisons for this. So I guess while we're out here, I'll go ahead and I'll take the top off and we'll get a close look at the inside of this and see what else we got up in here. All right, guys. So getting this top off and looking real quick on the inside, this does look good. It really looks good from the inside. That's the only way Arrma can make it look good. I mean, just that red and everything just really kind of stands out with this. So you guys know that this comes with the 775 aluminum chassis on it. One of the biggest differences too is going to be these turnbuckles, guys. Look how thick those are. And look how thick those are compared to the ready-to-run version. So that is a plus. These should hold up real well, because that's one of the issues that I had with the ready-to-run version, is that when I was jumping and stuff, this started actually eating into this plastic. So I actually had to stuff the inside of this. I think I did with cotton or something to keep this from eating to the inside of this plastic, and that kind of fixed that, a quick fix for that. But other than that, I mean, like I said, the sway bars and of course the shocks are going to be a lot bigger. The shock shafts are going to be a lot thicker and stuff as well on this one compared to the ready to run version. But most of this stuff I kind of went over with the Creighton EXB 8S unboxing. I'll put a link down below in the description for that as well if you guys want to check that unboxing out. And there's going to be a link in the description as well if you guys want to check the Arrma site out and look at this a little bit more and get some more information and stuff on it. But I'm just ready to get this thing run. I'm not going to even go too much in depth with anything else, because pretty much everybody knows about these trucks, what they come with, you know, some of the strengths and possibly some of the weaknesses and stuff as well. But I don't plan on jumping this 20, 30 feet, 40 feet up in the air. I plan on doing just some regular just running and just some mild bashing and stuff like that with it. But I am excited to get this thing running. I do want to get this Arrma motor and stuff in here. I do want to go ahead and I want to get this servo installed in here real quick. I do want to get this motor and stuff in here, and I want to get this bad boy running. So you guys stay tuned. Maybe we'll go ahead and do a super speed Saturday. So you guys put down below if you want to see a super speed Saturday test on this truck with the 1100 kV motor in it. And then I'll let you guys know as far as the gearing and stuff is concerned. Trying to get this body back on here real quick. What I'm using in this, like I said, I'm probably just going to do a 29 tooth pinion gear. And then just use the stock 47 tooth spur gear with this as well. And I think that should be perfect and fine for the way I'm going to run this truck and stuff. And if I plan on doing some major jumps, this body is definitely coming off of here. So anyway, guys, that's a quick look at this, an unboxing. I am going to have to kind of let this roll in the street. You guys see how that's kind of popping up and down. So it's just because the truck was sitting and it's got kind of a flat part on one side of the tire from the foam, but I'll get that kind of straightened out by the time we get it running and stuff for the speed test. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.